Welcome back to our new video. So today our video is about ZLT zone load testing. So in this zone load testing we'll apply 413 ton test load. Our actual working load is 137 tons. In this area we have performed ground improvement by dynamic compaction method. As you can see, there are different kind of procedures we are adopting it for the ground improvement, in which we have vibro replacement, vibro compaction, dynamic replacement, rapid impact compaction, and different techniques we are adopting it. We calculate settlement by zone load test to find out the bearing capacity. So how we calculate this 413? It is working load multiplied by 3 times. So working load is 137, so our test load, it is 413 tons. So these blocks, we have provided 100 number of blocks, and the load is becoming 438 tons total. So here is the jack. So this is the hydraulic pump, and there is a gauge on it. So from here we are applying the pressure to the jack, and then there are 4 gauges here. These 4 gauges are measuring the settlements, as you can see here. So these are very sensible. If you will touch with any of this equipment, the reading will be disturbed, and you have to repeat the test. So you have to be very careful. So as you can see, this is on. So how much settlement it is going, it is being recorded here. So now the reading is showing 49.36 around. So there are 4 gauges on each corner, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and this one 4. So we have the intervals. I will show you. So on each interval we have to check the readings of these all 4 gauges, and then we are getting the average. Then we are taking the difference between the first reading and the second reading, and the settlement is coming in the millimeters. Our maximum settlement is acceptable settlement is 25 mm at 100% load. So the acceptance criteria is 25 mm at 100% load. So the 100% load is mean working load, that is 137 in our project. So here is the worksheet. As you can see, there is a workload here 137, and test load is 413 tons. So these are the intervals. We have to take the readings. These are the percentage. 25% of working load, which is 34 ton, which we will apply in the start.
At the 25% we applied 34.42 tons. At the time bar will 47.75. This is the 30 minutes interval. Then we will go for 0 again, like as well as 25, 50, 75, 100, like up to test load 300%. At 300% we will holding at 12 hours. Then we will go for offloading. Then finally we are getting settlement is a soil bearing capacity. We will check. Our requirement is 25 milli at 100%. Our test load we required 30 milli. So finally we will check bearing capacity of this specific area. 3 into 3 area we will check. Our dial gauge capacity is 50 milli. So we started from 50. So this gauge are going anti-clockwise. So first gauge is like anti-clockwise mean 49.43. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4 gauges. Then we will get average. From this average we minus from initial reading. So finally we are getting net settlement here like 1 milli. So same.
This was the first average reading
this is the starting initial reading.
Yeah.
So we started from this. We setting in dial gauges 50 milli. So when we applying load, it is going anti-clockwise. Mean here 50 mean 49.43 we getting. So like as 4 gauges we are getting average, we are getting average, we are minus from this average from 50. So finally we are getting here net settlement.
Yeah, that is 1 mm settlement.
That is 1 mm.
At this 25% load.
Yeah, at this 25%. Then as well as.
And this 25% load.
Yeah.
We will measure it like after 1 minute, first reading.
1
then
minute,
again
1 minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then 30 minutes. This is depending on different site, them specific.
Yeah. Then the load is coming 0. Then again we will measure the readings at same intervals: 1 minute, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes.
Yes.
Like as you can see here.
Yeah. Then we will go for 25%, as well as 25, 50, 75 up to 300% we will go.
Yeah. Then we will apply the load from 0, 25%, 50% until 300%.
Yeah, till 300%. Each time 25% increase. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, like up to 300. 300 to
once we apply 300% load, so after that we will start decreasing the load, and again the same procedure we have to measure the reading.
275 to 50 same, as well as like how we increasing, like same we will decrease up to 0.
So this is how we do zone load test